So I was able to get it working, guys, and it's pretty awesome, to be honest. Hey guys, hope you're having a great Saturday, I think, when I'm posting this. Anyway, so the other day I was cleaning the interior of my car when I noticed something. So I have a touchscreen, and if you look inside the center console, you will see 3 little inputs for RCA cables. So it got me thinking. Modern gaming consoles are mainly HDMI only, but take it back a few years to say the Xbox 360 and the PlayStation 3, and they were still using, RCA cables. And it just so happens that I have an old Xbox 360 that I never really used, and Microsoft Xbox 360 and Sync, also by Microsoft. Let's try and see if I can hook up my Xbox 360 to my car. And as you can see, I really haven't been using it that much. It's not even plugged in. So we got the Xbox, got the power cable. I also picked up this power inverter just because there's an electrical outlet down there. Only thing being that it'd kind of be in the way, and cords kind of hanging around the car aren't the nicest looking thing. But with this power inverter, I can plug it into that cigarette lighter right there. Then I picked this up from GameStop. It wasn't $4.99, it was actually $2.99. It might be a little harder to find if you don't have these, but they're definitely out there. And when you do find them, they're pretty cheap. Hopefully had the cables pretty well. I'm not sure where I'm going to put the Xbox. I don't think it'll fit in the glove compartment, so I'm probably leaning towards under the seat. Well, first things first, got to figure out if it works. Starting off with the power inverter, just plugging that in, and green light means we have power. Now plugging the power cord into the Xbox, and then just plugging the power cord into the power inverter. We have power. Truth be told, I wasn't really worried about that one. I'm more worried about this one and just making sure that I can get the video on the screen. I feel like that'd be easier to have some sort of faulty problem with it, So plugging this into the Xbox, these into the car. So everything seems to be wired up normally. Now we go to AV, audio video input. Turn it on, and let's see if anything happens. It works. That is so cool. That is awesome. Okay, now I need to find my controller. I can't find it. Found the battery pack. This looks cool. Ooh, black. Yes! So I was able to get it working, guys. And it's pretty awesome, to be honest. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is just leaving all the accessories in the glove compartment. It's pretty easy now. All I gotta do is press this. It'll turn on. You can kind of hear it, and give it a sec, and bam. Let's see if we can focus. It's really that easy. So basically what I did is I disassembled the console, took this panel off on that side, and drilled a hole in the center console itself, fed the wires through to underneath the seat, and put the panel back on so you actually can't see any of the wires, even in the back. Realistically speaking, I don't really need the center console outlets. There is a cigarette lighter, but there's already one in the front of the car and another one in the rear. And then the RCA port I wasn't using and I had actually never used, so it really doesn't hurt to keep those there. And so the last 2 things for it, one, I'm probably gonna assemble some sort of sleeve or housing for it, just for safety rather. But I'm gonna get another power cord for it because I already have HDMI cables. But that way, if I'm in a scenario where I actually wanna use the Xbox, I can take it out and not actually have to pull any of the wires. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. And I'm probably gonna head to GameStop, in all honesty. See you guys in the next one.